Hello buddies, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to replace the throttle cable of Bajaj Pulsar as200. To replace it, you have to remove the pillion seat and remove both Allen keys right over here. Remove the seat. Now we have to remove the both star screw right over here. One over bottom and right one over here. After remove the both screws, remove the side panel. We can see the throttle cable right over. Remove it from its slot. And now we have to remove this bar and weight. Now we have to remove both screws right over here, star screws. Remove both screws and open the switch set. And remove the throttle. Remove the throttle cable from the throttle. Next, remove the star screw right over it. Remove the screw and remove the old throttle cable. Now cut the zip ties that are holding the throttle cable and remove the throttle cable. Remove both 10 mm right over bolts right over to access the airbox. Reinstall the new cable from tie the new cable to back and pull up the cable and have installed the new cable. Install the cable into the carburetor slot right over here and connect the cable end into it. Reinstall the both 10 mm nuts back and tight the air filter. Before installing the switch, connect the throttle cable into the slot. Now install the new switch into its slot right over here. Install the throttle and it grip into its slot. After installing switch and throttle, reinstall the both bolts on bottom. Reinstall the bar and weight that we have removed. Tuck the wiring properly. After installing switches, tight the bolt right over here. Now we have to reinstall this side cover and tight with both bolts. Reinstall the rider seat and tight both bolts. Reinstall the pillion seat back. Check the throttle play. If you require more play, adjust from right over here. We have successfully replaced our throttle cable without removing any fairings. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.